Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we will be counting down top 10 sports animes with female leads. And I know there aren't many sports animes with female leads that are good, but there are many animes that are enjoyable, and in the end that's what it all comes down to. But before we start, please do consider subscribing to my channel as I upload anime videos just like this. And with that out of the way, let's count down.
Stuck, enough is enough, you gotta pick yourself up, cause life gets hard, it might leave scars.
Number 10, we have Wanna Be the Strongest in the World. It's an action ecchi sports anime. It's a sports anime about pro wrestling. You guessed it, every wrestler is a girl, so there is lot of fan service in there for you guys to enjoy. Story follows Sakura and Elena, who are members of a popular idol group. One day Elena gets injured by an attack of a female pro wrestler, Ryo. Sakura gets mad at Ryo, and to avenge Elena, she enters the female pro wrestling matches.
If you take control of your fate, so stop waiting and get going your own way. These broken dreams and these hopeless teens, how it's supposed to be, yeah. Are all these broken dreams and these hopeless teens?
Number 9, we have Stella Women's Academy High School Division Class C3. It is a military school sports anime. Girls play survival military games in this anime, in which girls fights with each other with guns. Anime also has some supernatural elements in it, and it is a very enjoyable anime.
Everything you thought you ever wanted to be, then mark your team together, you can be something. Be smart and see that you is all you really need, yeah. Sometimes you gon' feel like you don't know, sometimes you gon' feel like it's going slow.
At number 8, we have Scorching Ping Pong Girls. As the name says, it's a ping pong anime with girls. Every character in this anime have their own playstyles. Story follows Koyori, who's a transfer student with an intense love for the game ping pong.
Are all these broken dreams and these hopeless teens, how it's supposed to be, yeah. Are all these broken dreams and these hopeless teens, how it's supposed to be, yeah.
Number 7, we have Harukana Receive. It is an beach volleyball sports anime. Yes, another anime with lots of fan service. It is a slice of life anime which will keep you entertained the whole time you are watching this anime. Story follows Haruka and her cousin Kanata. Haruka tries to learn the intricacies of competitive beach volleyball while helping her cousin Kanata overcome her anxiety towards the game.
Yeah, go with the flow, cause I know I'm the show. In the zone, here I go. In the zone, here I go. In the zone, here I go. Yeah, they know I'm a pro. Let's go, let's go.
At number 6, we have Girls and Panzer. It is an action military school anime. It is kind of a weird anime. It's an anime in which every girl takes part in elimination based matches using World War II era tanks. Yes, you heard me right, I said tanks, Panzers. It's a pretty big series if you are going to watch the whole anime. There are many seasons and movies for the anime, and a new movie is coming out this year. For more update on that, follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description.
I'ma blow up winning, got my flow so vivid. Here we go, just beginning. Yeah, I throw every inning, got my flow so legit. All I know is my shit. Here I go, they can whip. Post Malone in this bitch, rock star making hits. Got guitar in this shit, leaving scars 'cause we lit. All these bars that I spit, yeah.
Number 5, we have Tamayomi, the baseball sports school anime. Story follows two childhood friends Tamaki and Yomi. They meet again in high school. From there they start their own baseball club. It's a pretty enjoyable anime if you can look past some flaws in the plot and pacing of the anime. That's what we all want, right? Enjoyment.
Let's go! If I know what I want, then I know what I get. If I go, they can win, cause they know I get lit. I'm a pro.
Number 4, we have Uma Musume Pretty Derby. It's a pretty interesting anime. I think most of you guys have not watched the anime yet. The anime has horse girls. Yes, horse girls. They take part in horse races to become rich both as racers and idols. Second season for the anime is airing right now, so it's a good time to catch up with the anime.
Yeah. I take a cold hard look at the world now. Hold my hand out, got a plan now. I'ma help be the change cause I can now. Here I stand now, take my hand now. No pain, no gain, no shame. Work hard, play hard, okay. I think I get it now, don't wanna let them down. I'ma take the ground and speak my mind out loud. Here I go, proud of my nose.
Number 3 we have Iwa Kakeru Sports Climbing Girls. Anime is about wall climbing. The story follows Konomi, who is a competitive and famous puzzle gamer. After finding out about sports wall climbing in her high school, she becomes fascinated with the game.
Prove that you're something in your own head. All these thoughts you're confronting, we've all been there when you feel like you're nothing. Shut that shit down, crush those thoughts and just trust me.
Number 2 we have How Heavy Are the Dumbbells You Lift. It's a ecchi comedy slice of life anime. Story follows Hibiki as she starts going to gym and starts working out. Anime shows how important working out and exercise really is, being all funny and pretty entertaining. It's a pretty solid anime, give this one a shot.
Round 2, what's in your head now? Sometimes think you're better off dead now. Fuck that, yeah, you heard what I said now. Don't cop out, make a plan instead now. You got this one life here and now to feel the sun on your skin and to see the clouds. There's nothing out there quite like living. Just in the simple things, watch a kid and you'll get it. It's no heaven, but a damn.
And finally, at number 1 we have Keijo. I think maybe most of you guys are familiar with this anime. It's a comedy ecchi anime with lots of fan service. Anime has its own sport in which girls have to knock their opponent off the platform that is floating on a water surface while using only their butt and breasts. The anime is pretty entertaining and it even made me read the manga, so give this one a shot.
You feel like you're nothing. Shut that shit down, crush those thoughts and just trust me.
And that concludes my list for top 10 sports animes with female leads. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do consider subscribing to my channel as I will be uploading anime videos just like this. Please do consider following me on Instagram as I upload every anime and manga news there. The link is in the description. And as always, thanks for watching.